Whether or not you want stripes in your lawn, that's entirely up to you. So obviously this is early in the year on me cutting the lawn. I think this is the first or second cut that I did. Just remember, when you want to cut with some nice lawn stripes, you want the grass to be a little bit longer, around that 3-inch mark. Don't over fertilize in it. Maybe wait till you get closer to Memorial Day to get into the deeper fertilizing. But I just did one slow release fertilization on there, a light one, and this is how it turned out.
I see how he does it. He lost his boots. He's been over there the whole time. Wow. All that money he's making, I might have to start doing. I forget which one. Which one is he in the blue? Huh?
You say, I forgot which one he
He's
is.
in the blue.
That's good.